Well, hey, what's cracking? You know what? The other day I got this package in the mail from Derral and I'm dying to know what it is. Let's go check it out. Okay, I know exactly what it is, but I wanted to make this video today to talk about something that's really important if you're a YouTube creator. If you're trying to make it on this platform, you're gonna want to stick around. Man, I so love this time in the morning. That's when I get stuff done, shoot my videos, edit, things like that. For me, it's the morning. You know, I've sure been enjoying making the videos with this little Canon M50. I think one of the things about being a creator is just challenging yourself to create something that matters. Most importantly, something that matters to you, something you're proud of, something you can show to your friends and say, hey, I made that. And this little camera has allowed me to, well, get out there. Yeah, you see, the thing is being a creator, being around other people, spending time with people that understand the trials and tribulations of trying to make it here on this platform is so helpful. And furthermore, it can really raise your game. Now, whether or not you can go to VIDSUMMIT or Video Marketing World, that's irrelevant. What you can do is you can get out and you can meet people. And that's what I want to talk about today. Let's grab some shoes. I want to take you down to the mine. And I wanted to get this little Canon M50 so I could take you on the road, you know? Show you around town. I mean, clearly I don't live in a town, I live on the side of the mountain, but there's a lot of cool stuff to see, like deer and bears and foxes and coyotes and bobcats. Yeah. Now, if you think about it, the timing of that shot was really weird, but so what? 'Cause it's about being creative, right? Been thinking about a gimbal lately, and been thinking about a whole bunch of videos, like why the M50 is such an amazing camera to get if you're just getting started, and how I've dramatically boosted my watch time this week. So as mentioned, VidSummit is coming up and you should do whatever you can to get there. But maybe that's just not a reality. Well, what do you do then? Well, get a hold of a virtual ticket. That will allow you to take in some of the amazing information that's going to be shared. Shared by folks like Gary Vaynerchuk, Derral, Sean Cannell, Peter McKinnon. Holy smokes. That's one session I'm super excited to check out. It's so nice to get out of the studio, grab some fresh air, take you with me. You hear that? That's awesome. And we have arrived, the mine. Thing is, I didn't plan that, but it's a cool shot, right? If you're a creator, I want to share something really important. There's only so much you can gain by watching, by learning, by reading books and studying. You've got to pick up a camera and press record. And if you do some of both, if you watch videos and if you read books, and if you're implementing and making stuff, it will accelerate your growth so much here on this platform. YouTube is about being able to entertain people, even if you're in the information niche or industry. Like if you're teaching people how to grow on YouTube or how to make better videos or how to create a cool bokeh effect or how to vlog or how to plant a butterfly garden. You still have to have the ability to engage people, to keep them watching. And as you know, just talked about the whole audience retention and how powerful it is when you're able to keep viewers watching the video you just published. By the way, if you haven't seen that video, YouTube card, it's a must-have. Check out that video. Okay, back to VidSummit, back to hanging out with people that get you, your community. Nothing is more powerful than being in the same room, shaking someone's hand, sharing your ups, your downs, and letting them do the same. Can't go to VidSummit? Find people in your area to hang out with. Now, some of you are like, I live in a remote area. That's kind of a drag, but you still have the internet. Join the Tube Ritual group. There's over 9,700 YouTubers in that group, and that's not what's important. What's important is it's really engaged. There are people sharing. You don't want to do YouTube all alone. Share your journey with others any way you can. And the most gratifying is going to events, speaking with people, as I mentioned, hanging out, all that stuff. Okay, it's time to get a bit of a workout, and let's get back to the house and open up that box from Mr. Derral Eves. Let me see here, we got this, we don't know, we want, there we go, package from Derral Eves. So let's see what we got here. I know that. I'm thinking Clouds and Dirt from Gary Vaynerchuk. This packaging is cool. That is badass. And then a nice note from Derral and Chonduras. This is influencer marketing done so well, and I'm actually going to create another video in the coming weeks on influencer marketing. Truth of the matter is anybody can be an influencer. Anybody can make the money, can do the speaking gigs, can get the notoriety, can grow their channel, can make YouTube a full-time gig if they have the desire and willingness to put in the effort. Derral, thanks so much for the shoes. Gary Vaynerchuk, freaking amazing the stuff you're doing.